Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. And in this video, I am going to be unboxing my Lego haul for the first quarter of 2022. I am such a big fan of Lego. I've been collecting since I was a kid. Of course with my mom's help. But yeah, it wasn't until like 5 years ago that I started sort of like actually collecting big sets of Lego. So the first one that I am unboxing is the Monkey Kid City of Lanterns set. So it normally retails for 239.99 New Zealand dollars or around 160 US dollars. I really love this set. It's very colorful. It's good value for money for what you will get. So many elements crammed into one set. And because I spent a certain amount, I got a few freebies. So I got a tuk-tuk Lego, which is pretty cute, and I got a vintage taxi, which normally would sort of retail for $89, but it's not available in the Lego online store, and an ornament, a polar bear ornament. And I also got, as a VIP member, a few keychains, some Disney keychains, and the actual VIP keychain. So yeah, looks pretty neat. So the next set that I'm going to be unboxing is the Winnie the Pooh Lego set. So this is probably the best set to buy if you are planning to start a Winnie the Pooh collection, because this particular set is so iconic. It's very complete. It's only a small set, but you will get like everything. So you get all the characters. You get the Pooh Bear's house and an oak tree, and yeah, it's really good. Like I said, good value for money. And also, this retails for 120 US dollars, and you will also get some freebies like keychains and whatnot. So here are the keychains that I got. So I got Donald Duck, Minnie and Mickey Mouse. They normally retail for like 9 New Zealand dollars each. The Christmas ornament, around $9.99 to $10 they retail for if you're gonna buy them from the Lego website. The tuk tuk one is the same. Oh no, I think the tuk tuk one is around $17 to $18. But yeah, obviously I got this for free. And then the vintage cars, they're actually not available in the Lego store for purchase, but some of the collectors, they sort of resell them for like around $89 to $90. And so this is the Winnie the Pooh set. So cute. Look at that house and the beehives. And this is the City of Lanterns. See that tram? It looks really cute. That's actually the main reason why I got this set. It also comes with like 3 sheets of stickers. And I actually got a third set, which is a typewriter Lego. So this one is more of a decorative thing for me, so I'm gonna be using this as a decorative element in my house. I'm currently building some shelvings for my Lego collection. So yeah, and that's it. That's my Lego haul for this month. I hope you guys enjoy this very quick unboxing, and I might post another video for when I sort of build these sets and put them on my shelves. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.